It's your boy 430 AON Crypto. Tune in, man. All or nothing. Let's get this bag. What's up, YouTube family? It's 430 AON Crypto. And today we're going to go over Splassive Network over on the Avalanche blockchain. So we're going to go over a few things today. I'm going to show you guys how to set up Splassive real quick. Simple. I'm going to show you how to add Avalanche blockchain into your Metamask settings. I'm going to help you guys find the Splash contract address. And I'll walk you through the deposit process. And if you guys need a buddy referral, I'll have all that information posted. Okay? So we're going to keep this short and simple. So first, what is Splassive? Splassive is a decentralized app that pays you out 2% daily on your investment. It's a drip fork, which means it's a copy version of the drip over on Binance Smart Chain, which belongs to Forex Shark. This project was developed by a good developer, a good man named Bitcoin Brown. And we're going to go over it. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to sign into it. So if you guys are new to this, this is what you would do to get in. You need a buddy referral link similar to drip. So you guys are going to go to the tap, right? And below this video, you're going to see my wallet address. You would put it in here and then you will hit update. But that's not what we're going to do today. Well, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to sign in and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's running. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to compound. Know what I mean? Which is taking out your gains and putting it back into the deposit, which is this right here. And the higher the deposit go, the higher your daily payouts go. All right? So first, you're going to need to get into the website. I'll provide the website address in the links. Then you're going to need a wallet address. You know what I'm saying? A buddy address. So you're going to need that. You're going to put it in the tab. So you're going to enter my address here. If you choose to use it, you're going to put it right here. All right? Then you're going to need to find, well, before you do any of this, you got to have the Avalanche blockchain into your settings. So what you would do is you'll go right here to settings in your MetaMask, and you're going to go down to where it says networks, right? I already have it, so I'm not going to, re-enter it. But I'm going to show you guys how you get that information, okay? So we're going to head over to Google, and I'm going to just type it in. This same link that I'm going to click on right now, I'm going to provide it in the links below, okay? So what you do is you just type in Avax MetaMask settings. And you're going to get this website right here. I just clicked the first one. This information right here, this information, you're going to go back to MetaMask, go to settings, and you're going to go to networks. You're going to add a network. These blank lines, you're going to fill them in with this information. Okay? So once you do that, you should have that down packed. Okay? Once you have that in here, you'll be able to see Avalanche Network. Then you're going to have to add the Splash token. So how do you do that? You scroll down on the main page and you go down here where it says import tokens. You're going to import the address here. How do you get the address? There's various ways to getting it, but the main way I just go to the Splassive Telegram group, okay? And then I click the pin notes up here, okay? And then I just scroll up, because this is provided by the actual Splassive team, so I don't try to, get contract addresses from any unknown sources. I try to keep it, directly with the actual platform. So I go up right here. This address right here, this contract address, I will also post below in the links, okay? So you're going to take that, you're going to copy and paste it, you're going to come here. Import tokens, copy and paste, and it'll self-fill it. You know what I'm saying? It'll auto-fill it. You hit import. I already have it, so it's not going to really, reconfirm itself. So that's what you guys would do. Once you have the Splash token here, you need some Avax. So, I mean, if you're watching this video, you should be pretty, should be pretty comfortable with buying different tokens, and you should know that every blockchain, you need to have their native token in order to pay for gas fees, okay? So if you don't have Avax, get yourself some Avax. You could buy some right here. You know what I'm saying? You could add some. You could buy some Avax or whatever. Or if you have crypto.com, if you have Coinbase or whatever. You know, there's multiple ways of doing it. We can cover that on a different video. We're just going to keep this simple and splassive, all right? So once you add the Splash token, you have some Avax in your wallet. What you do is you go to the website, and then you go right here where it says the well. So you will enter in here the amount of Avax that you have that you choose to pay for the Splash tokens with, and then you buy some. And then that's pretty much it. Once you got the Splash tokens in your possession, you head over to the tap. Assuming you have my buddy address here, my wallet address entered here, you can't buy this, you can't enter into the deposit without it. I don't even think you can buy Splash without a buddy address, but if you can, then you just need the buddy address just to deposit in here. And then you'll basically be a part of my team. I'm still small in my account, so I'm growing it. I'm going to compound it to a certain amount, and I will be doing airdrops to my team because I know this is popular amongst the crypto communities, doing airdrops. And yes, it does feel good to get, you know, free money into your deposit to help your daily payout go higher every day with a good team. So I do plan on doing airdrops in the near future. Just, you know, bear with me, guys. So once you enter my buddy address, you have Avax, you bought some Splash. Then you will go in here and enter the amount of Splash you would like to deposit. But before you do that, you're going to have to hit this switch right here where it says Approve Splash. You're going to have to do that, and you're going to have to pay like a minimal fee. Once that's activated and confirmed, then you go enter it, and then you hit deposit, okay? So that's pretty much how you get yourself in here, how you get yourself going into the well. Once the well starts going, you're going to notice your money. It's going to start going up. Okay, so you get 2% of that. So basically 2% of every 100 is about, you know, $2. So I have $214. So I will get about $4.10 to 20 cents a day, like $4.10, $4.20 a day. You know, the price is volatile. The price of Splash goes up and down. Right now it's on a decline, guys. So what does that mean? If you have conviction on this project, that means that this is for sale right now. You know what I'm saying? It's been slowly dropping down. This project had a exploit about 2 weeks ago. Bitcoin Brown fixed it, and I had the website return back to normal. Everybody who had their wallets before, everything kicked back in and kept running as usual. So there's a lot of drip forks right now that are getting hacked, exploited, destroyed. You know what I'm saying? Rugged. So this being that it's still the only drip fork really standing with a strong community, I give this project a good chance of survival and a good chance of bullish. I'm bullish on Splassive. You know, that's me. I'm not a financial advisor. You guys know that. But, you know, that's me. That's what I'm choosing to do with my personal assets. So I'm going to keep compounding every day until I get over 1,000 Splash, 500 Splash. So I could provide to compound more frequently, 2-3 times a day. Airdrop one day, claim for myself one day. I'm going to compound 5 to 6 days, and I'm going to do airdrops half of a day and then claim the other half of the day. If not, just take a whole day for every activity in the near future. So if you guys are bullish on this, this is a great time to get in. You know, that's how these markets work. When it's down, you buy. When it's up, you just chill. You chill and collect. So last thing I'm going to do on this video, I'm going to show you guys what a compounding is. So basically, you see I have $4.71 or $4.07. My mistake. I'm going to just hit compound. Right here, you can tweak the fees. That's what I always do. For some reason, it's not showing the dollar value right now, but I'm going to fix that. What I do is I usually tweak it. I put low. It always works for me. Maybe like once or twice it never worked, but other than that, it's always worked. So I'm going to hit confirm. Keep your eyes on where it says $4.07. That's going to disappear, and it's going to make it go in the other one. 218, you see? Compound successful. That's how you get into Splassive. You buy some Splash. And once you got your money going 2% a day, you compound, and you compound and compound and compound. I see amongst many Telegram communities, what you do is you compound 6 days straight and you claim and do airdrops the last day. Or you can compound 2 weeks straight. Whatever your personal preference is. There's no road to perfection in this journey in crypto, man. It's just you learn your way, you do what's effective for you, and then along the way, if you feel like there's more effective ways that you could implement into your already ways, then that's what you do. You know, you refine your tactics, you know, you reinforce your investment IQ, and you go about your business, man. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, man, hit me up on Telegram. I'm always there. You can hit up my Twitter. Please let me know if you found my group with this video. I highly appreciate it. If you use my Buddy wallet address to get in, please drop it in the comments below and put hashtag 430AON crypto so I know that you're part of the team. Anybody who's watching, I deeply appreciate it. I will be dropping more content. Just bear with me. Everybody have a great, positive, and productive day.